Microwave noodles in a pot, cook 'em nice and hot. Microwave gigawatt. Microwave cooking chicken rice. 2 minutes, don't think twice. Take it out, it tastes so nice. Little beams of energy fly into my mac and cheese, steaming out the very top. Microwave 8 gigawatt, ray-jetted missiles airborne. Burst right open my popcorn. Touch the bag, it's boiling hot. Microwave 8 gigawatt. Steaming out the very top. Microwave gigawatt. Touch the bag, it's boiling hot. Microwave gigawatt. Steaming out the very top. Microwave gigawatt. Touch the bag, it's boiling hot. Microwave gigawatt. Cooking up a boil ball. Microwave begins to shake. Feel a shockwave, down I fall. Microwave starts an earthquake. Microwave spirals so high, up into the great blue sky. Tears a fissure right through space. Microwave kills all with grace. 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 Microwave is cooking up my food. Don't even know what goes on the food. When you touch the bowl, you hold the cloth. Screw me if that bowl ain't boiling hot. Leaves the oven riving, leaves the kettle barely surviving. A force of nature, force of mind. Saucepan couldn't hold a candle to this light. 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 Put it in, it does just what you ask. Cooks it up in record speed, what a blast. It's fantastic, so fast, under 2 minutes. Jokes, easy task. Saucepan couldn't hold a candle to this light. Saucepan couldn't hold a candle to this light. A midnight snack gets you through the night. Saucepan couldn't hold a candle to this light. Microwave boils all it sees, the glaciers and the trees, smoke intoxicated weeds. Microwave, run and jump and hide, quickly get inside, no escape from our minds. Microwave, killer of us all, center of a home. Today is when we fall. Microwave, space-time is a pen. Lost track of my friends.